We just blew one. Oh boy. Should we net him? Let's net him. Bring him over to the side towards Dad. Bring him over this way towards Dad. No, Dad's way. Dad's way. Dad's way. Dad's way. Dad's way. Hold on your pole. Hold on your pole.
Don't let go of your pole.
Oh, that's a big one, Garrett. Look at that.
Wow.
Wowie zowie.
Look at Mom, Garrett.
Wowie zowie.
Mom, look.
Oh, look at Mama.
Garrett.
Let's get his hook out of him.
Did you catch a fish? Yes, you did. Awesome.
Let's put the net over here. Put the net on the ground.
Let me see.
Yeah, hold up with Dad. Look at him. Ooh.
Wow. He's a trophy.
Look. No, look at. Here, you gonna hold him? Oh,
Hold
give him a
him.
kiss first.
Give him a kiss.
You didn't give him a kiss. Dad, give him a kiss. Whoa, look. Watch. You give him a kiss. Okay, we'll put him back in the water. Put him back in the water. Put him back in the water.